Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I am going to solve minimum cost of ropes. And today's GFG problem of the day is very much easy level question. You can see already 2 lakh students solve this problem statement, and already many popular well-known company ask this type of question like Amazon, Microsoft, Oyo, Goldman. Many popular companies ask this type of question. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an array which are containing the lengths of different ropes, and we need to connect these ropes to form one rope, and the cost to connect two ropes is equal to the sum of their length, and the task is to connect the ropes with minimum cost. We have to connect the ropes with minimum cost. It is our task. Now in first example given array this 4 3 2 7 6 and output is 29. How output is 29? Just see. First we connect the ropes the following many ways. First we connect the ropes length 2 to 3, and which makes the array 4 5 6, and the cost of operation is 2 plus 3. This 2 plus 3 sum what is 5, that is cost of operation. Now connect the ropes length second way 4 and 5. Now cost of operation is 4 plus 5 equals to 9, and the array will make 9 and 6. Now, finally, we connect two ropes, and all ropes have connected. And what is the cost in this case? 9 plus 6, which are 15. And total cost connecting all ropes, it will be 5, 9, 15. This all cost operation will sum all of this cost operation 5, 9, and 15. So it will be 29. Total cost of operation, sum of total cost of operation, this will our output. So in output it will return 29. That's it. Now in second example given array 4 2 7 6 9. Now output is 62. How output is 62? Watch first. How can we connect? Our first way is we can, if we connect 4 and 2, array is 6 7 6 7 6 9. And what is the cost of operation? 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2 means 6. Sum is 6. Now in next way add rope 6 and 6, and 6 and 6 cost operation is 12. And then what next way is we can add 7 and 9, and now what is the cost operation? 7 plus 9 16. And finally we can merge the two, gives 28, and the total cost is 6 12 16 28. We will sum all of this cost operation value, and it will be 62. So in output it will return 62. Now what is the time complexity? Time complexity is O of n log n, and space complexity is O of n. Now go to approach. In approach basically we will first declare a priority queue, and we will push all the elements, and then we extract the minimum and the second minimum from the main heap, and then we add the above to extracted value and insert the added value to the main heap, and we'll maintain this thing variable for total cost and keep incrementing it by sum of extracted values, and then we return the value of total cost. Because it is our goal, we have to just return the value of total cost. In this way we can return this. Now go to code. In code first basically we initialize a heap, and also we will import a heap queue, and from typing import list, and then we create a loop, and it will traverse using heap and push the elements already said in this, push all the elements and priority queue. So we'll write down a for loop and initialize sum to 0, then create a while loop, and then we return the cost of operation which are declared as variable which I have declared. Now compile and run, and now submit. we solve today's problem. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you in next video. Till then, tata bye bye.